Sunny sky, soft waves, good book. This is peak vacation.
And I'm running a very important nap experiment.
So, in that book, do they have snacks?
Plenty. But they're hidden behind these things called words.
Hey, that was the good page.
Plot twist. The wind's the author now.
Incoming tide situation.
Forget the plot. Save the paperback. You were supposed to guard the fort, not sink it.
Relax. I've upgraded us to ocean-cooled seating.
And so they spent their days by the sea, happily ever after.